Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So quick little update. I am a SheaMoisture ambassador for 2019. And basically what that means is I just get products from SheaMoisture and I get to review them, I get to try them, I get to test them out on friends, family, whatever. So yeah, I'm super excited. I love SheaMoisture and it should be fun. So I've been waiting for my first box. So they chose people in March, and so I just received my first product box. So yeah, I'm really bad at checking my mail actually, but I knew this was coming, so I kept checking my mail, and I wasn't getting it. But then I checked today and it was here. So I'm really excited. Oh, I probably shouldn't show people my address. It's heavy too. So I haven't opened it yet, so we will open it together. And also let me know if you want me to try any certain products, because I will. Ooh. Okay, this is super cute. Let's see if I can. Again, with the presentation, man, these companies really know their marketing. I don't know if I'm getting that. But this is super cute. The box is made with 40% recycling. I just read that as I held this up. Or 40% recycled cardboard, so that's cool. Okay, so SheaMoisture 2019, congratulations and welcome to class of 2019. And then it just goes on to say basically some of like the expectations and what you do as an ambassador. So yeah, I really don't need to read that through with you guys. And then it gives me a description of the products that are in this month's box, which I've been seeing some people post already, so I know what's in it kind of. So let's just dive in and see what we got. So you got a brush, which that's awesome. That's so nice. It's a round bristle brush, which is, ooh, this one has very firm bristles, which I really love. Right now I have a bristle brush that's a flat one, so do like slick back ponies, and the bristles are kind of soft, so it's, I mean, it's obviously more gentle on your hair, but if you're trying to get it tight back, it doesn't really do the job. And then I also have a round brush for like blow drying and stuff, but this one would work for both, so like blow drying, but then also you could just use it as a slick back brush. Strong bristles, so that is awesome. And then, let's see. So there is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Shampoo with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. And this is for natural, chemically processed, or heat-styled hair. So this, I'm excited to use to see how, because you know how your hair, even with sulfate-free shampoos, it can just feel like too stripped and too clean. It sounds like this won't do that, so we'll see. I'm gonna review it. Then there's a second shampoo, which is the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Hydrate and Repair Shampoo with Maphora and Baobab oils. It's for extremely dry, brittle hair, which I did bleach the end of my hair, and I just feel like naturally my hair is dry, so this should be good as well. Personally, I have not found a shampoo yet that I like love. I've used tons of different shampoos and it's more just like, oh, okay, it cleaned my hair. Like, I don't put much thought into it. So I'm excited to find a shampoo that's just like a go-to that I love. Okay, next is, wait, did I show this one? I don't remember. Next is 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration conditioner with coconut milk and acai Senegal. Oh wait, acai? It's not acai. Acai. It's either acacia or acai. And it's for all hair types. I'll let you all figure out how you want to pronounce that. I tend to use almost like all of my conditioners as leave-ins just because I like to leave a little conditioner in my hair. It's just what I do. So yeah, decided to use that one. And then we have the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner with Silk Protein and Neem Oil. And this one's for thick, curly hair. And so this one seems like it's thicker. And I like that. Oops. I hope I'm putting that straight. I would probably use this as a deep conditioner, but then like leave a little bit of it in my hair. I'm excited to try this one, especially because it's for thick curly hair, and I like anything that's labeled that. You're like, thank you. Ooh, and it smells good. But all SheaMoisture stuff smells good, so it's kind of like a given. Okay, and then the last thing is this sugarcane extract and meadow foam seed silicone free miracle styler leave-in treatment with marshmallow roots. Okay, and it's for all hair types. And I've seen this one and I've wanted to try it mostly because it's so cute. I like the colors on this. I'm excited to try this one. Oh, that smells so good. What? All SheaMoisture's products smell so good. And if you look at the ingredients, the fragrance is an essential oil blend. So I feel like so good about that because you're not putting like artificial scents into your hair or like onto your scalp that's gonna penetrate and permeate your skin. But it's just an essential oil blend, so that's great. So that's this month's 5 products, well 6 plus the brush. So I'll be posting videos and reviews on these. I'm probably doing different hairstyles just because honestly I don't wear my hair as a wash and go that often, and I think they get boring watching wash and go videos like one after the other. So yeah, we'll see what I decide to do. But anyways, thank you, SheaMoisture. I'm excited for this opportunity in this platform. And let me know if you guys have any questions on any of this stuff. Yeah. And my hair is looking raggedy right now, so I have a hat on. This is a Cubs hat, but I really just wear it because I think it's cute. So don't come at me any sort of way. I wore this hat yesterday and I had multiple people comment like, go Cubs, oh, are you a Cubs fan? And I'm just like, what? Like literally at first, the first person who said it, I ignored him because I didn't realize that my hat was on. And then it clicked and I was like, oh, thank you, like, woo. I don't care, I don't. So anyways, my hat's cute and my hair's messy, so that's what it's on. Okay, so anyways, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys soon, very soon. Bye. Can you even see that? Okay, anyways, bye.